This is the 1080p digital wireless RV backup camera with an over 300-foot digital wireless range from our V3 line, SKU 34190, with an unprecedented 300-foot digital wireless range in 1080p. This camera comes pre-configured with an integrated microphone. The lens is in full color, featuring auto night vision, which means the darker it gets outside, the more the night vision is active. All this in 1080p. It can also automatically pop on when you go in reverse or stay active while you're driving down the road. Some of our customers even leave it on when they're parked for security. With commercial grade durability, this camera is fully submersible and works under the insane conditions of negative 30 degrees to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. All this sits in a 4-inch bracket. You even get a 2.5-inch bracket so you can choose which one is best for you. With convenience in mind, we placed the pairing button on the face of the camera with an industry first, an indicator light telling you when you're in pairing mode and informing the people outside to smile for the camera. Lastly, if you look closely at the blue indicator light, you'll notice that it sits in a fully machined out American flag, reminding us of where this camera was designed, tested, and conceived, right here in the United States of America. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!